M0FXB Hamtech Aor Dv10 scanner. Let's get you into VFO mode so you can type a frequency. First thing you do when you turn it on, you'll be presented with this screen. Press menu here. Then number 1 is VFO mode, where you will be able to type a frequency. Or number 2 is memory mode, where you're more looking at channels that you've pre-programmed. But this video is just about typing a frequency. It could be airband, marine band, HF band, DMR, D-Star Fusion. It doesn't matter. You're going to be able to do it. So all you do is press number 1, press enter, and then you've actually got, I think it's 2 VFOs. But there's a third one, Z, where when things are saved in searching, it puts them into VFO Z. So interesting one. It could be 3, but anyway. So if we just press enter on A, VFO A, which is the top section, and now try and type a frequency. So we'll go 145. Remember the dot 600, and then press menu. No, enter. We are now in 145,600, and you can change that by moving the knob. So the next one is how we're going to select the mode. Well, you've got a big mode button here. If you hold it down, it's going to go straight to auto. But if you don't want auto, go back with the clear button here. You can just press mode and then select what you want. So that would be an FM one, and we're going to go enter. Actually, we could do, DMR, D-Star, C4FM. Let's do Yaesu, we're in now Yaesu mode. Now you might want to change the step. At the moment the step says, pretty sure it's 10K, it says it up there. So we'll just go menu, enter again into number 1, and then look, it has step. Press enter, and it's 10K. So let's move it to say 20K, press enter, and now it says 20K here. Now when you turn the knob, or when you try and look through different frequencies, it's going to be 20K separation. Now, unfortunately, we can't just scan from a frequency. It would be nice now. We've put a frequency. If we just hold down a button, it just starts to keep scanning from that. But we can't. We actually have to create a search bank. I've made a separate video on that. But you basically go menu, go to search, then you go to bank edit, number 8, and then down this list, you start entering all the parameters, but the one to remember is to remember the bank number. So let's just say the bank is 00, yeah, and these are the parameters. And once you've set them, all the parameters, the mode, the frequency, etc., make sure you, number 9, press enter to save it. So number 00 is now the search bank that we've now created. So then you go back to menu, go to, menu, go to search, enter, and then you go to bank, and here you can select whichever bank you want to search. So you just type the number, so we go 01, let's say, and it remembers that bank number and it searches it, and you put in those parameters just then. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. It is an amazing scanner, massive amount of learning. I think one of the big pluses about it is that it will actually work without an SD card, and everything, all the changes that you make on the actual radio get automatically saved to the SD card. But there's a whole learning curve to that side of it and programming it via the SD card. But that's the thing about scanners. They're not ham radios, they're not CBs. They're designed to search several frequencies, stop, record those frequencies, save those frequencies, so you can go back to the scanner later and listen to it all back. And also the versatility of this particular one, and there is no other one apart from the Dv1, which is its big sort of brother, I suppose, is that you can receive DMR, D-Star Fusion, and I don't know any other one that will do that. And of course analog bands, HF bands. And there's a learning curve. It'd be lovely if it had a color screen, but otherwise, it's it's Yaesu quality radio. It's very similar to it's virtually identical to some of the airband, marine band offerings from Yaesu in the past. 7.3, all the best.